And now we're in Red Naxela Residences. Do you know what is the meaning of Red Naxela? The owner of this property is Mr. Alexander. And alams na ang mga Chinese, pag nagsulat sila or nag-read, diba, ang pabaliktad sila, diba? So, yung one person na involved sa pag-write ng signage ng area na to, alam mo kung ano ang ginawa? Binaliktad nila ang Alexander. Si Alexander, Mr. Alexander. So, yan ang pinaka-unique feature sa street na to, guys. Check. Dun sa loob. Dun sa loob nakatira si Jose Rizal. National hero of the Philippines, lived in this area together with his family from December 1891 to 1898. 6 months lang. 6 months lang siya. Okay. Then, now we're going to discover where this longest escalator of Hong Kong ends. I'm with this vlogger. Hello, Perky F.